Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where we explore effective language learning strategies together today. Today I want to talk about one of the biggest problems English learners face worldwide every single day. This problem is the constant mental translation that happens when you try to speak or understand English fluently. Many students translate every word from their native language into English, which creates numerous unnecessary problems and mistakes. This translation habit slows down your speaking speed and makes your English sound unnatural to native speakers around you. The main issue is that direct word-for-word translation often produces incorrect or awkward sentences in English, completely. Understanding this problem is the first step toward developing true fluency and thinking directly in English without mental translation. So if you find this topic helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let me explain why translation creates so many difficulties for language learners who want to improve their speaking skills. When you translate mentally, you spend extra time processing information, which delays your response in conversations significantly and noticeably. Native speakers think directly in English, connecting concepts to words without using any intermediate translation step at all. Your brain needs to build these direct connections between ideas and English words to achieve natural, fluent communication. Now, let me share 5 practical strategies that will help you stop translating and start thinking in English naturally. The first strategy is to start small by learning individual words and associating them directly with objects or concepts. Label items around your house in English so your brain connects the physical object with the English word immediately. When you see a chair, do not think of the word in your native language first, then translate it. Instead, train your brain to see the object and immediately think chair without any translation step in between, completely. If you are still watching and have not subscribed yet, please do so now to support this content regularly. Write in the comments below what objects you have labeled in your home to practice this direct association technique. The second strategy involves using visual learning tools like flashcards, with pictures instead of translations on the backside. When you create flashcards, put an image of an apple on one side and the word apple on the other. Your brain will connect the visual concept directly to the English word without needing your native language as intermediary. Children learn their first language this way, by connecting words directly to experiences and visual representations around them daily. The third strategy is to immerse yourself in simple English content, like cartoons, songs, and children's books regularly. These materials use basic vocabulary and clear context clues that help you understand meaning, without translating every single word. Songs help because the melody and repetition make phrases stick in your memory, connected directly to emotions and situations. Tell me in the comments which English songs or shows helped you learn new phrases without translation recently. The fourth strategy involves practicing simple sentences that connect your feelings and actions directly to English expressions throughout life. Instead of thinking, "I am hungry" in your language, then translating it, practice saying, "I am hungry" directly when feeling hunger. Create mental shortcuts for common phrases you use every day so they become automatic responses without translation processing time. The fifth strategy is to practice thinking in English for a few minutes each day, deliberately and consistently, every morning. Set aside 5 or 10 minutes daily where you narrate your thoughts and actions only in English, without any translation. Around the 2/3 mark, I want to emphasize how your detailed comments about your challenges help others learn too. At first, this feels difficult and slow, but with consistent practice, it becomes easier and more natural every day. Remember that building fluency takes time and patience, so do not get frustrated if progress seems slow at first. The key is consistency, because practicing these strategies daily will eventually rewire your brain to think in English automatically. To wrap up, stop translating by building direct connections between concepts and English words through these 5 powerful strategies. Use visual tools, immerse yourself in simple content, and practice simple sentences until they become automatic, natural responses. Always. So please subscribe to this channel and hit that like button if you found these tips helpful for your learning. What is your biggest challenge with stopping translation? And which strategy will you try first to overcome this problem? Write your answers in the comments below, because I love hearing about your experiences and I read every comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video, where we continue improving your English together.